Change is the rule of life. No one has all the best qualities. We all have what we deserve to have. But if you are looking to achieve extra and want to improve your current situation, you have to improve who you are. You have to work to better yourself and to remove your errors. Without appropriate guidance, it's difficult to walk on the path to become a better man in life. These simple steps will lead you in the right direction and will make your presence a lot more pleasant. Number 1. Love yourself. Exercise self-compassion and self-respect. Recognize your strengths and weaknesses, your faults and understand you are human and nobody is perfect. Always enjoy and love yourself, your unique spirit and skills. Take good care of yourself. Mentally, physically, spiritually, and accompany yourself with people who respect and help you in developing your personality. Number 2. Be ambitious in your own way. Men are naturally ambitious. All men want to be the breadwinners and have the admiration and respect for people around them. You should set goals for yourself in your career or profession and reinvent yourself whenever you need to beat your goals. Define your own idea of success. If you can't identify your goals, contemplate what you really want to achieve in life and what is most important to you, then head in that direction. Number 3. Don't crumble under pressure. As a leader, you might frequently face challenging and overwhelming situations. Instead of feeling stressed, getting emotional, panic and crumbling under pressure, you must remain strong, clear-headed. As a way to improve, learn and grow. People respect, appreciate and look up to such a person who can stay strong under pressure. Number 4. Be a man of your word. A man of his word is respected by others and can be trusted. A respected man honors his promises and sticks to it no matter what. Men who lie, exaggerate, cheat and turn back on what they've promised, are not respected by others. Always remember to promise on things that you can deliver, and if you can't deliver, tell the truth straight away. By doing this, you will be respected for your honesty. Number 5. Learn to control anger and jealousy. Love, anger, fear, jealousy and sympathy, all these kinds of emotions are part of our life. But negative emotions like anger or jealousy toward others can leave you in a difficult situation. Dissolve these negative emotions by changing your primary beliefs of insecurity and mental predictions. To be a better man, maintain control over your attention so you can deliberately change your mental projection and the negative emotions you feel. Most respected men can sense the emotion of a situation, but they can retain and control their emotions. Number 6. Give respect and expect respect in return. Successful people respect others and expect respect in return. Men should admire others, but they should expect respect in return. If you are not treated well and not given respect, then your generosity is either not valued or not justified. If you are proposing great value at work, then ask for a raise or for a promotion. If you give generously to a friend, expect and even claim that he show you respect and behave kindly towards you. Number 7. Love others without judgment. To be loved and respected, love others without judgment because it leads to confusion. You will face situations in which some people might do or say things that would be meaningless or immature for you. But you need to be open-minded because that might be their understanding of the world about the situation. So, rather than being superior, smarter, wiser and better than others, just love them without judgment. Number 8. Always be yourself. Always be yourself. Pressure from the outer world can influence who you are. The world is continually developing, it's very important for you to be yourself, for learning to be happy and self-assured in your own skin. Number 9. Take the lead in situations. People respect those who leap forward to handle challenging situations. Generally, those people are not admired, who stand back and look for others to resolve the problem. Some people avoid taking the lead because of fear of criticism. They think playing safe is a better option. A man should work out of his comfort zone and take the lead to find solutions. The more you act like a leader, the more respected you will be as a man. Number 10. Be a better man that people look up to. Try to live your daily life constructing your decisions and actions on the philosophy of leading by example. By doing so you will able to increase the levels of long-term confidence to develop the faith that everything else will fall into place as it is meant to. This deliberate lifestyle directs your way of actions toward attaining your goals. The more a successful man you become, the more people will certainly start to look up to you. Your character will inspire others around you to also begin applying your model in their lives. You will be someone people can follow, a leader of strength in this world. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.